Hello, this is a short video introducing the MagicData Pen. This pen is a normal ballpoint pen which can be used for filling in forms, but crucially this pen has a scanner built in just below the nib which can record what's being written. Filling in forms normally can be problematic. The forms can be delayed before data is entered into a computer to be used on a database. Forms can also be lost. With this system, data is transferred immediately to a database as soon as the data has been entered onto the form. The pen is activated by removing the cap. To start recording, tick the initial start box. The form can now be filled in as normal. Fours can be written either open or closed. Ones can be written in a European style or in an English style. And sevens can either have a bar through or not. The pen will recognize the number as it's written. Forms need to be processed by us to put coding in each box so that the pen will recognize where the number is being written. The boxes on forms will either be designated to receive numerals or, as in this case, alphabetic characters. The MagicData Pen is a very robust unit. It can be used either in indoor production areas and offices, as well as in more challenging conditions, as on this pig farm in Spain. The pen is used in the normal way to record data on the forms that you would normally use. When all the data has been recorded on the form, tick the Finish box. At this point, data will be transferred by Bluetooth from the pen to an application on a BlackBerry phone. You will be asked to accept the data when it arrives at the phone by clicking on Yes. The phone will then transfer the data over the GSM network, and that will go directly to the internet. A list will be shown of recently sent forms. By going to this address on the internet, you will be able to see the record of the data that you've written on the form. Access is by username and password to this secure site. Once you've logged in, select the file that's been uploaded, which you will recognize by the date and time that it was uploaded, and you'll be able to see two versions of the form. One in the handwriting in which it was written, and in the other, which will be the digitized version of what was written. You can then scan each box by moving the cursor over the boxes, and you will see both the digitized version and the handwritten version. You can check that the data that's been represented is accurate. This guarantees the quality of the finished result. If you need to make changes, purely overtype on the digitized version. Once you've checked all of the data, go to the bottom of the form and click on Validate. Click OK, and the data will now be transferred to a database for processing. And on the menu sheet, you will see that the form is now listed as being validated.